Emma, there you are. I was hoping I would see you today.
Hi, David. It's so good to see you. I was just on my way to the bookstore.
Well, I am so glad I caught you. I wanted to be one of the first people to say it in person. Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you so much, David. You remembered. That's so sweet of you.
Of course I remembered. It's a very important day. I hope you have a truly wonderful and special day. Many happy returns.
Thank you. That's such a lovely thing to say. I'm already having a great morning.
I'm so glad to hear that. How does it feel to be another year older and wiser?
It feels pretty good, actually. I was a little bit sad to say goodbye to the last year, but now I am just excited for a new chapter.
That is the perfect attitude to have. A birthday is a celebration of the past and a welcome to the future.
I like that way of thinking. It really is a special day. Thank you again for the warm wishes. It means a lot to me.
The day is just getting started. I'm sure you will get many more good wishes. And I also have a little something for you.
Something for me? David, you really shouldn't have. Your good wishes are more than enough.
It's just a small gift. I saw it last week and I immediately thought of you. Please, let me give it to you.
Oh, wow! It's wrapped so beautifully. You even put a bow on it. You are too kind.
It's my pleasure. I really hope you like it.
I am sure I will love it. Thank you so much. This is such a lovely surprise. Should I open it right now?
Yes, of course. I would love to see your reaction. Please, open it now.
Okay, I am being very careful not to tear the beautiful paper. Let me just untie this ribbon. Okay, I am opening the box now.
Well, what do you think?
David! Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. It's perfect. How did you know? This is amazing.
I am so happy that you like it. I was a little bit nervous that you might already have it.
I don't. It's the new book by my favorite author. I have been wanting to read this for months. I can't believe it.
I know you love her books. I remembered you talking about her last novel, and you said you couldn't wait for her new one to be released.
I did say that. You have such a good memory. I mentioned that so long ago. I am so impressed that you remembered.
I was in the bookstore last week, and I saw it on the new releases table. Your name just popped into my head. I knew it would be the perfect birthday gift for you.
It truly is. I am so excited to start reading it tonight. This is such a thoughtful and personal gift. It's so much better than just a generic gift card.
I think gifts should be personal. They should show that you listen to the other person and you know what makes them happy.
Well, you certainly succeeded. This has made me very happy. This is one of the best gifts I have ever received.
I'm really glad to hear that, Emma. You deserve a wonderful gift on your special day. So, apart from receiving wonderful gifts, what other plans do you have for your birthday today?
Well, my morning has been very nice and relaxing. I started the day with a video call with my parents. They sang happy birthday to me, which was very sweet.
That's lovely. It's always nice to hear from family on your birthday.
It is. My brother also sent me a very funny e-card. After that, I made myself a special breakfast with pancakes and fresh fruit.
Pancakes! That sounds like the perfect birthday breakfast. A great way to treat yourself.
It was delicious. And for this afternoon, I don't have any big plans. I just want to have a relaxing day.
A relaxing day sounds wonderful. No stress, no work?
Exactly. I'm going to take this new book you gave me, find a comfortable chair in the park, and just read for a few hours.
That sounds like my idea of a perfect afternoon. Just enjoying some peace and quiet with a good story.
That's all I want for my afternoon. Just some time for myself to relax and recharge.
A relaxing afternoon with your new book sounds like a perfect plan. But what about this evening? Do you have any special plans to celebrate tonight?
Yes, I do have some plans for tonight. I wanted to do something to mark the occasion.
Are you having a big party?
No, not tonight. I wanted to keep tonight small and intimate. I have made a reservation for dinner at my favorite Italian restaurant.
Oh, that's a wonderful idea. Which restaurant is it? The Tuscan Table?
That's the one. You know how much I love their pasta. I've been dreaming about their lasagna all week.
Their lasagna is the best in the city. So, who are you going with?
Just a few of my closest friends. There will be 4 of us in total. Just a nice, quiet dinner where we can talk and laugh and enjoy some delicious food.
That sounds like a truly perfect way to celebrate. Sometimes a small dinner with close friends is much better than a huge, noisy party.
I think so too. It feels more special and personal. I'm really looking forward to it.
A small dinner at your favorite restaurant sounds like a lovely way to spend your birthday evening.
I think it will be perfect. But I am also planning something bigger for the weekend.
Oh, really? So there is a party after all.
Yes, I love a good party. But I wanted to have it on Saturday so that more people could come and nobody has to worry about work the next day.
That is very considerate of you. That makes a lot of sense. So, what kind of party are you planning?
It will be a very casual get-together at my apartment. I'll have some music, some snacks, and some drinks. Nothing too formal. Just a chance for all my friends to hang out.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I would love to come if I am invited.
Of course you are invited. I was just about to ask you. I would be so happy if you could be there, David.
I would be honored to come and celebrate with you. Thank you for the invitation. What time should I be there on Saturday?
The party will start at around 8 in the evening. You don't need to bring anything, just yourself.
A party on Saturday sounds great. I am really looking forward to it. We have talked about gifts and dinner and a party, but we have forgotten the most important part of any birthday.
What is that? What have we forgotten?
The birthday cake, of course. You can't have a birthday without a birthday cake.
You are absolutely right. How could I forget? The birthday cake is essential.
So tell me, what is your favorite kind of cake? If you could have any cake in the world for your birthday, what would it be?
Ooh, that's a tough question. There are so many delicious types of cake, but if I have to choose just one, I would have to say a rich, dark chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is a classic choice. An excellent choice.
But not just any chocolate cake. It has to have a layer of raspberry jam in the middle and be covered in fresh strawberries.
That sounds incredibly delicious. Now I am hungry for cake. Are you going to have a cake like that at your party?
I am. My mom is an amazing baker, and she is making that exact cake for me as my birthday present. She is going to bring it to the party on Saturday.
That is so sweet of her. A homemade cake is always the best. Will it have candles? You have to make a wish.
I am so excited about all these plans. It's going to be a wonderful celebration.
I'm so happy for you. A birthday is also a time for reflection. So, how do you feel about the past year? Was it a good one for you?
That's a deep question. Let me think. Yes, I think it was a very good year overall.
What were some of the highlights for you?
Well, I started my new job, which was a big and positive change in my life. I have learned so much in the last few months.
That's a huge achievement. Starting a new job is a big step. You should be very proud of that.
Thank you, I am. I also traveled to a new country for the first time, which was an amazing experience. It really opened my eyes.
That's wonderful. So, you had some big adventures. Were there any challenges?
Of course, there are always challenges. There were some difficult moments, and I learned a lot about myself. I learned that I am stronger than I thought I was.
That is a very important lesson to learn. So, it was a year of growth and new experiences.
Yes, that's a perfect way to describe it. A year of growth. I am grateful for all the lessons it taught me.
It's great that you can look back on the past year with such a positive perspective.
I think it's important to be grateful for the journey. But a birthday is also about looking forward.
That's true. It's the start of a new year in your life. Do you have any big hopes or goals for the year ahead?
I do have a few things in mind. I don't really like to make big resolutions, but I have some small goals for myself.
What are they, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, I really want to learn a new skill. I have always wanted to learn how to play the guitar. So this year, I am finally going to take some lessons.
That is a fantastic goal. Learning a musical instrument is so rewarding. I think you would be a great guitar player.
Thank you. I also want to focus more on my health. I want to try and cook more healthy meals at home and maybe start jogging in the park in the mornings.
Those are wonderful goals. They are all about investing in yourself and your own happiness.
Exactly. And my biggest hope is just to continue to learn, to grow, and to spend a lot of quality time with the people I love, like you.
It has been so lovely talking to you and hearing about all your plans and your hopes for the year.
It has been a wonderful conversation. Thank you for taking the time to meet me today and for the incredibly thoughtful gift.
It was my absolute pleasure. I wouldn't miss your birthday for anything. I am so glad you liked the book.
I love it. I am going to go and find a nice spot to start reading it right now.
That sounds like a perfect plan. Well, I should let you go and enjoy the rest of your special day.
Thank you, David. And I will see you at the party on Saturday evening, right?
I will be there for sure. I am already looking forward to a slice of that chocolate raspberry cake.
I will save a big slice for you.
Thank you. Before I go, I just want to wish you, one more time, a very, very happy birthday, Emma. I hope you have a fantastic celebration tonight.
Thank you so much, my friend. That means the world to me.
And I wish you a year ahead that is full of joy, health, and success. I hope all your dreams come true.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day, David.